So for fraud victims, there's a new resource available that might be something for you to look at to see if it could help you as a victim get some results from your case. It's called the JFVP, which is the Justice for Fraud Victims Project. It's part of a university, and it is a project that university collaborates with law enforcement, with fraud investigators, and gives victims the possibility of getting some recovery for their losses. It says right here, the history of the JVFP began at Gonzaga University as a collaborative that brings together college students, faculty, law enforcement, and experts in fraud prevention and examination to provide pro bono services to those affected by financial fraud. Especially important when the cost of forensic investigations is too high or services are not available. Benefits for victims, the J. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. VP offers essential forensic accounting services to fraud victims at no cost, which helps them take legal action against those responsible. So if you have a case, you may want to contact this organization to see if they are somebody who would be able to take your case. We also have consultation services available. It's fee-based, so it's a little bit different. We're a private company where this is a different type of scenario. But you can look at both. You can see if this is the kind of organization that might help you. If they're not, or if you want to go a step further, you can look at our organization. But this is a really good option for fraud victims to see if there's other ways that you can look at recovery of losses through a fraud by a professional organization that's looking out for your best interests. So your victim losses may be able to be considered or have some empathy from a group that does this professionally for a living. If you like this video, be sure to click on a few others on our channel to see if there's other information that might be helpful to you about this same subject, or maybe even other related subjects that could assist you with your resolution of your issue.